really been struck by the kindness and generosity, and I think happiness of all the people here. And I think that there is a life lesson and a marital lesson in all that. And it is that even in paradise, sometimes there will be stressful times, and sometimes you may hit hardships. But if you always choose kindness and generosity, I think you'll be better for it. And so I think that's all it takes. If the two of you remember to continually turn towards each other and to look upon each other with fondness and admiration, you'll be building a marriage that lasts.
You have always been there for me through the ups and downs, and I couldn't ask for a better friend in my life. So, as they take the plunge today, let's raise our glasses to these two amazing souls. May their love be as unstoppable and enjoyable as their most fantastic hangover stories, getting better and better with each passing day. To the couple who swiped right for love and found an epic journey together, cheers to you guys.
Do you, Anthony Boyd Wong, take Angel Pei Shan to be your wife, to cherish in friendship and love today, tomorrow, and for as long as the two of you shall live, to trust and honor her, to love her faithfully through the best and the worst, whatever may come. And if you should ever doubt, to remember your love for each other and the reason why you came together with her this day.
I do.
Do you, Angel Pei Shan, take Anthony Boyd Wong to be your husband, to cherish in friendship and love today, tomorrow, and for as long as the two of you shall live, to trust and honor him, to love him faithfully through the best and the worst, whatever may come. And if you should ever doubt, to remember your love for each other and the reason why you came together with him this day.
I do.
I knew from the moment that I saw you that a life could be something special, something grand.
Many of us actually have known Angel for 22 years, so basically since we were 4. And if there's one thing we know about Angel is when she wants to get something done, she gets it done. Case in point, she always wanted to get married somewhere really tropical, and like, this is fantastic.
That day we said forever and I meant it, honey. Never, ever gonna turn back. When I'm wrong, please forgive me. When our song turns on, let's keep dancing over and over again.
You've got the superpower to change a regular room into a happy playground, just like how Abby brings joy into everyone's life. Angel is a big deal into our life. Please take care of her and spread the love and the laughter.
Like the moonlight, let's shine like the skyline. Let's ride till the sunrise, 'cause this is the night of our lives.
It is our pleasure to welcome you to Team Angel. It is clear how much you adore her. We appreciate you for all the qualities we've outlined here, but most importantly, we appreciate you, how happy you make Angel.
Let's fly like the moonlight. Let's shine like the skyline. Let's ride.
As Anthony embarks on this beautiful journey of marriage, I couldn't be happier for him. To see you grow up and become the man you are today, I know your dad would be so proud of you. Here's to a lifetime of happiness, love, and beautiful memories. Cheers.
Let's fly like the moonlight. Let's shine like the skyline. Let's rock till the sunrise. 'Cause this is the night of our lives. Come close, I'll make it a toast to you
All of your family, friends, and loved ones gathered here today, and who have witnessed your love these past few years. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride with her consent.